YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Please help us climb that ladder by hitting that subscribe button and following along as we make videos. We're trying to get a couple a month, maybe once every week. Today we're going to be doing a model, a 112 scale model. The 118 and 124 is what I've been using, but I kind of fell in love with the 112, so we got a box here today from Autoart. So this side of the box just says Autoart. On this end, you have what is in it, which this is a 112 Lamborghini Huracan. The other side is just Autoart. And once again, on the other side, no logo this time, but Lamborghini Huracan. So let's get this out and get it opened up for you. Inside the box, you have this nice styrofoam packing material. And inside that, well, actually on the bottom, there's 4 screws, keeps this thing held in. Go ahead and take the top off. And inside, you have this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan in this great orange color. I kind of like the gold wheels, and you have on the P0. And over here, you can barely see it, but it says Pirelli. Now, the one thing, I have the 112 Lamborghini Mercy logo, which is actually die-cast. And the thing I like about it is you can actually open the fuel tank door. And then it has door handles. This one does not, but it's still got a lot of great features. You can kind of see on the rear spoiler, the forged carbon. It has it on the back all the way down to the splitter. Now around the front, it's got a good logo. Let's go ahead and get it up out of the styrofoam. So some of the details and features on this. Let me go ahead and get the doors open. You can see in here the seats are actually, they have that same like on the taillights. They're actually painted. The forged carbon goes all the way through. It goes up into some of the dash pieces, the door pulls. It even has the paddle shift on the steering wheel. So actually a lot of, I wish this was kind of a removable, convertible removable top, because it'd be so nice to get in there and get some of these features for you that you can't see very well. But it's pretty detailed interior. It's got a nice mirror. There's your wheels. Let me see that key. In the back, see, it actually has like your strong arm and a pretty detailed engine bay. I mean, it could be a little more detailed, but it's not too bad. Go get that front open.
Okay.
And under the hood or the bonnet, I'm gonna try to get this up here. You can see the, I love the way they do these hinges and things on these bigger models there, especially on the Autoart, where they're not just a big hinge. I don't know if I can zoom in there, but it's actually like, it looks like more of like a real hinge. And you got your strong arm, the trunk area, I guess you call it, is carpeted. Kind of some of the details you have inside. See, I think they've done a really good job. I know some people complain about the 112, saying that they're not very detailed or that they don't like them very well, but I think these 112s are really, really sharp. I'll get it up on the rotary and let it spin around for you for just a little bit. Now you can kind of see all the details with the headlights, the wheels, on the back of the car. One thing I really like here is you can actually look in here and you can see both the brakes And when you turn the wheel, the rotor actually turns with them. The front wheels are steerable with the steering wheel, and they have actually a pretty good rate of turn. And the grip on the tires looks incredible to me. And then once again, you can see all the brake caliper and the rotor and everything inside here. I don't know how well this is picking it up. You can actually see like the little bolts that would hold on the brake rotor. Go ahead and let this finish off. I love the headlights. But I think for the price, it's not too bad. It wasn't as much as the Murcielago. And I have a GT Spirit Ferrari, the same size. And although it is die-cast, the wheels don't roll, the front wheels don't turn. But it's actually a pretty detailed model, but nothing opens on the car. Whereas this one, everything opens. Your hood, your trunk, both your doors. All the wheels turn. The steering wheel turns to front wheels. Gotta look in there and see. So for the money, all in all, it's not too terribly bad. I'll try to zoom in here a little bit or get this closer. You can kind of see the forged carbon. It goes all the way down. The one thing I wish they wouldn't do is put these big license plates. It'd be so much easier to put a replica license plate on here if they wouldn't put the huge one that looks like something out of Europe. Although I guess that's where the cars come from. It's just kind of an annoyance to me. At least this one does not have one on the front. There you go. So I will definitely be buying some more. I'd like to have a Diablo. I'd like to have a Countach. We are building the 1.8 DeLorean, Back to the Future DeLorean. That'll be humongous. Based on if this is a 112, you kind of get an idea of how big it is. How much bigger that DeLorean will be. So there it is, the 112 Lamborghini Huracan. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but the Performante. One of my favorite cars of all time is the Lamborghini. Started off with the Countach back in the 80s. And they haven't really done me wrong in any of them so far, except for I'm not a huge fan of the Urus. But I'm actually a car person, not an SUV person, so. Once again, if you like the videos, if you want to see something else, we are a collector of toys, cars, and I can do a video on anything that we have on the wall. The wall's coming along better. We've got a little bit of stuff missing, but those toys are on the way. I don't know if I'll be doing a video on them or not, but if you want to see something, leave a comment. But there is your 112 Lamborghini Huracan by Autoart. All in all, for the price, not a bad car at all. Thanks again for watching, and hit that subscribe button. Please help us build this channel. Thank you.